What's up, guys? Welcome back to the show. I think this is episode 13 we're about to get started on. And I just want to take a moment and say I'm sorry for the little pause in episodes. So much has kind of happened off camera. I've been having to make a lot of money and throw it into other things. The frame is on the schedule for August to get reinforced. So I've had to put a 50% down payment on that, and I'm kind of putting all that money, the rest of the remaining balance, into my savings before I start ordering more car parts. But I had the day off work today, and I decided to come and get some work done, kind of keep the ball rolling. Kind of miss working on this car. My plan is to put new floors in this car, and I want to do the one complete floor from the front to the back with the braces. And as I looked under the car, the passenger side rocker is going to need some work, so I felt like it's time to start getting some work done before the floors get here and I have the floors and then it's not ready to be put in. Because that was the plan, was I was going to wait to get the new floors before I took the old floors out, just to, you know, have the right mock-up and everything. But have the day off of work, and I've just been wanting to get on this thing. So that's what we're going to do today, is I'm going to start cutting these old floors out. I'm going to be pretty careful because I want to keep all the original metal, so that way we're only, you know, plug welding the new floor in. It doesn't turn into a big mess. But like I said, apologize in the delay in videos, and I'm going to try and get back in a routine and start getting back to having a video every week. So stick around and see what we get done this episode. Alright guys, a couple insert shots. Here's the rocker I was talking about on the passenger side. It's all rotted. Needs a lot of work to rebuild that. The rest of it looks okay. The front up here starts to get a little crooked. The floor was all rotted where I just hit it with a hammer to break through there. Like I said, we still got to go back and clean up all the edges. I still got to get the back seat out. This side, you can see it's all just patch panels. This brace is welded. The whole brace was here, and they just cut a bottom brace and welded it on. The car came with a left and a right brace. And I guess they just didn't want to put those in. We gotta fix this piece. It's rotted through where the brace goes. There's another There's another patch panel that we'll have to fix. So there's a lot more work to do, but I just wanted to show you kind of some of the close-ups. Alright guys, day 2. So what I was just saying before is these clips that hold the back seat, and the ones that were right here, and these brackets that hold the armrest, none of them come on the new floors, so I had to measure out how far they are and then mark them. Clip 2, had to mark it out. So the goal is to, you know, clean up this edge and all the way around. We're gonna have to pull all this out, but I can't put holes in these because I got to plug weld it back in there. I'm probably gonna cut around these today and then I'll work those out later. But we're gonna start cutting this floor out and get to it. Okay guys, well I'm getting back to it. I don't know how much longer I'm going to work today, but I'm going to try and get at least this strip done. See, and that's how I want to do it. I'd like to get everyone to come off like that, because as you can see, little grinder. Alright, so what I was saying is I'd like them all to come off like that. See? Because that way I can recondition this whole panel and it'll all be good. Obviously, you know, there's rocker work I still got to do. But that's my goal, is to get them all to come out like that instead of drilling them out. So I gotta take my time and do it right, but that's the plan, and I'm happy the first one came out that way. Nice. Yeah, this will be real nice if they all come off like that. Hit it from another angle. Yeah, this one. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, very nice, very nice. It's going good. I'm happy with those results. Sweet. There we go. Alright guys, well you know how it goes. You say you're done, but there's always something else you could do. So I ground down the little welds that were there. Now I'm just going to shoot some spray paint just to cover up the fresh metal. Not like it matters, right? All the other rust is down here, but just wanted to give you guys a little glimpse that clean it up a little bit and put some paint on it and call it a night. Clean up the shop. Well guys, I think I'm gonna wrap it here. We got a lot done in the last day and a half, 2 days, whatever. As you saw what I did in this last little section, it's pretty much what I have to do everywhere else. You know, just cut super close to it so that way I only have a little strip of metal, and then chisel it all up. But I think I'm gonna wrap this video up here, and then when I start working on the rockers, I'll make another video of that one. So I just want to say thanks for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. You know, do all the interaction things so the video could get some more views. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks again for watching.